To cancel T-Mobile Home Internet, start by logging into the T-Mobile app or website. Navigate to your account, then to Services, and select T-Mobile Home Internet. Choose Cancel Service and provide a reason, such as moving or service issues. Review the details, including any early termination fees and equipment return instruction. Submit the cancellation request and obtain a confirmation number or email. You can expect to pay for a prorated amount for the final bill of that month. You will get an email within 24 to 48 hours. Finally, return the gateway device using the provided prepaid label to avoid charges of up to $299. Monitor your account for final charges and dispute any errors. Now let's cover important considerations to avoid issues when canceling T-Mobile Home Internet. Be aware of potential early termination fees if you're still within a contract, which can be up to $150. Also, make sure to return the equipment promptly to avoid the full replacement fee. If you want to avoid cancellation, you can opt for a temporary pause of service. If you face unexpected fees, dispute them through the T-Mobile app or customer support. For faster processing, cancel during business hours. Keep records of all communications and return tracking information. Also, remember that if you don't like the outcome of the call, you can always escalate the issue by contacting T-Mobile's executive team via social media, Twitter, @T-Mobile Help. Following these important considerations will help you avoid common issues and ensure a smooth cancellation process.